Don't wish it is easier. Wish you are better. Don't wish for less problem. Wish you have the skill. Don't wish for less challenging. Wish you have the wisdom. We must learn from failure, not only from the success, so we can get some clues from the failure. To give you some clue, something lives through, to give you a clue, so you don't have to go through. Ladies and gentlemen, we got the need to learn from failure. Yes, there's a lot of success stories. We able us to motivated to be successful, but there's also a lot of failure cases. Success is a few major disciplines practiced every day. Failure is a few error, judgment error in the way that is done every day. It is better to be prepared for the opportunity than to have opportunity and not being prepared. Walk behind me, I might not lead. Walk in front of me, I might not follow. Walk beside me and be my friend. I need to write down all these motivation quotes in my exercise book. By writing down, I can actually remember them and can recite them during the run or anywhere when I feel it. This morning at the Tafu lane, lane number 9 I think, or lane number 10, running towards the Hougang. In about a few minutes time, we will hit the Hougang PCN, which will lead us all the way to the Punggol and the Punggol Rail Bridge. But today, we're not going to run the rail bridge. We're going to make a detour at this Buangkok and see whether is there a expressway route down to the old Tampines Road running to the Sistonic, and we will get back home. Morning everybody, this is the Hougang PCN running along the river. The daylight is coming just after the rain. Because it is after the rain, not much people has came out for a jog. I'm not sure the weather will still rain again. That's why I'll be running the shorter route today. Running to the Buangkok, which is the expressway leading to the TPE. Not sure is there a sidewalk that enable me to exit to the Old Tampines Road. I have to explore it in case I need it next time. In case I need to reroute next time from the Old Tampines Road to the Buangkok and back to here again, running to the full lane again. Hougang PCN. As you can see, there's not much people over here now because it's just after the rain. Most of them are the cyclists. Here we go. We have the Hougang PCN further down the road from where we are just now. Not much very far, but some distance. Okay. Taking step by step. Go slowly. Wow. 3-liter chute. Or maybe a small fountain. So we have 3 of them here. Pass by number 1, running towards number 2. Pass by number 3. We're now walking into this midst of the HDB flat on the left. This is the most dense area of the Hougang PCN for the day because of the rain. Even though there's no much cyclists as well, This should be good to live here. Where you can just hop down and walk along the PCN.